Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Create a class to target with jQuery selectors. Not every class needs to have corresponding CSS. Sometimes we create classes just for the purpose of selecting these elements more easily using jQuery. Give each of your button element the class target. Okay, target. Here second class target. In each case, we will use the target class. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.